So, as you can tell, I'm at the car. I think I put the video in front of this one. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But today, I'm just going, like, Christmas Eve shopping. I've been shopping for like 2 days now, but I gotta take some pants back. And, I'm gonna give me another pair. And try to find me another pair of shoes, because I only bought one yesterday. But, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave video suggestions down below that I should do. I'm trying to grow this channel. And also, that's it. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Come on, man. We're not gonna call it disturbance up in this building now. You hear me? You hear me loud and clear. Sean. Girl, I'm too mad. You just don't know how mad I am. You're not gonna start disturbance up in this stuff. No, you're not. Are you sure? You are. Right here, got my head on my hair. These are cute. Yeah, they're kid size. So all this stuff right? Oh, that makes sense. It says kid shoes. This is not the color of your outfit. Hey everybody, so this is gonna be a two-in-one, which is I'm gonna have 2 videos and 1 vlog. So yesterday, that was, well, y'all seen me yourself. So today I'm gonna be showing you what I got for Christmas, and we're heading back to Greenville. Like, this is gonna be our 4th day in a row going to Greenville, Mississippi. We shouldn't be going shopping. We should be going to my grandma's house, but you never know. Might go shopping. We might see another crazy person. Like, 2 days out of the 3 days that we went, we seen 2 crazy people. And I didn't get the Walmart one at all. And I didn't really get the mall one because I was holding my camera like down. I didn't want to put it in his face, but which I should have did, because he wasn't gonna do nothing. And at the Walmart one, I just didn't record because I didn't think about it at the time. But it was over a park space again, and like, the park space, we was waiting on it. We was the ones waiting on it. So we didn't beat nobody to the park space. We was the one waiting on it. And we got it. And this girl, or woman, I don't know what she is, got mad. I don't know if she was mad at us or she was mad at the person who she was trying to get the park space for. Didn't come get it in time. I don't know. But she was just up there yelling. And then when we got out of our car and stuff, like, she moved behind. Well, she moved behind my own car. I said our car. She moved behind my own car. And she was just standing there for a long time. Even when we walked in Walmart, she was still standing behind the car. And me, because I'm paranoid, I like when we came out from shopping, I looked all around the car just to see was any dents or anything there. Because, hey, just making sure. But it was nothing there. So, I'm going to show y'all what I got. I'm actually not going to tell you what I got. Even though I bought this stuff yesterday, I was with it. I just bought, because I have a different style as my mom, so I buy my own clothes. Well, no, I pick them out. She buy. Yeah. So this is my first outfit. Let's put the shirt over the pants. How I just gotta land there. It's just okay. This is my first outfit, and I really like this outfit. I'm actually wearing this outfit. These are my shoes. I'm wearing this outfit today, so I'm gonna show y'all how it look on me. These are shoes I got, which I really love. I think I'm starting to fall in love with Adidas. This is another shirt. I think I should just hold this stuff up because I think laying it down should look bad. I don't know. It still looks bad to me. But this is a shirt I like, and this is the shoes I got with it. And I'm not wearing this outfit today. And this shirt had some pants with it, but the pants was too big, so I had to take it back. And this is my trying to straighten it out, but it really won't go. It was just look bad right now. Anyways, this is my third and final outfit, new outfit, because I got. And this is all. You didn't scare me.
What did I do then?
Break my door. You did not scare me. No, you didn't.
No, open the door. You jumped.
No, I didn't. I did not jump. No, you didn't. I think you hallucinating. Anyways, so these are all my outfits. I'm finna wear this today. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all. But this is the big one that I got today. And I'm so freaking happy. I got a MacBook Air. I've been talking about a MacBook. I don't know how long. It came in this box. Well, no, it came in another box. Inside the box. And it was this box. But when I put on my clothes and get ready, I'm going to show y'all the final results. Hey guys, I'm here to say sorry for the bad videoing. Something because like I don't have a camera, I have my phone, and I feel like in the mall it was gonna be weird if I just like had it out like this and just put it in people's faces. So I was just like, I'm gonna just hold it by my hip where I'm walking with. I mean, how I'm walking, I just walk smooth. And I'm gonna just have it by my hip so I can capture things, which now I see that it wasn't the brightest idea, but it was okay. But I'm gonna do a better job if we go out, like if we go to the store or anything. I'm gonna do a better job at recording this time. You guys for watching. I want to say make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And sorry for the bad, like I said, sorry for the bad video recording, or whatever y'all want to call it, but it will get better. Make sure you leave videos to just
boss to a worker, shall make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party, I'm there, I get paid a fee.